there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Happy Hedgehogs bundle from the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. This catalogue runs through to the end of June 2022. And this stamp set also comes with a punch. The Hedgehog Builder Punch, here it is here, to punch out this cute little hedgehog. I love these images. I particularly love this one here, that little tree with the flowers. And that's what we're going to use today for our card. I'm not going to use the hedgehog. That's for other projects on the way. You'll find this on page 64 of the mini catalogue. Here it is there. You save 10% when you buy the stamp set and the punch as a bundle. So today I'm using Balmy Blue as the base for my card today. So I've got a piece of Balmy Blue cardstock. I've already gone ahead and cut out a piece of thick basic white card, and I used the scalloped contours dies to cut that one out. We're going to be using some of these beautiful butterfly embellishments. They are the brushed brass butterflies as well, and some blending and a little bit of colouring with our blends. So let's get started first with our blending. So I'm going to bring in my blending brush. These, if you haven't already got these, I highly recommend them. So I'm just going to take a little bit some colour onto the blending brush using my using the blending brush with the Balmy Blue ink. I'm going to take some of that off, a bit of scrap on the side there, and then I'm just going to come in and start working the colour. I always start light and then build up the colour. So what I'm doing is forming the background there before we do our stamping. A little bit more. Go as light as you want or as dark as you want. It's really up to you. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. Pop that out of the way. And then we're going to bring in the stamps. So we're using these two images here, the tree and the sentiment. I've also done some inside stamping, which I did ahead of time. Using the cute little butterflies and that little bird, and I've gone ahead and coloured it all with some blends as well. So let's stamp. Where's my memento? Here it is. So let's stamp now. Putting my memento ink on here now. Might be time to put some more refill ink in that one, I think. Right. Might just need a bit more ink. That's better. Okay. I might have that a bit too far at the top. Oh no, it looks okay. Alright, and our sentiment, we'll put that on now as well. Finding a friend like you is the best discovery of all. It's a lovely sentiment, isn't it? There we go. Okay, that's all the stamping. So let's do a little bit of colouring now. So I've got my Daffodil Delight. I've got some blush, petal pink, some crumb cake, and what is this colour I've got here? The Granny Apple Green as well. So I'm just going to come in with my, this is the light Granny Apple Green, and I'm just going to do a little bit of the light on these leaves. And then I'm going to come in with the dark and blend it out. Been using Green Apple Green a lot recently. How about you? Do you go through certain colours, go through stages of just, that's the colour I want to use exclusively? I sure do. So we put a little bit of the Granny Apple Green on here. Just swap out to the light, I think, for these little buds. You could leave this blank. You don't even need to colour it if, you know, you want to leave it, because I've got the blending in the background. But it's whatever you like. Right, I'm going to come in with a little bit of the Daffodil Delight, just for the middle of the flower, little daisy flowers there. And then I'm coming in with my light petal pink. For these flowers. And then I'm going to blend that out with the dark over the top. I know that you generally put the dark down first and then come in with the light, but for this one, the petal pink is a very subtle colour. Okay. I am not the greatest colourer, but I do enjoy it. Now let's get the crumb cake, just to do that stem. And that with the dark Granny Apple Green down here. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my Marvellous, my marker, my Balmy Blue marker, and I'm going just to do, if you can tell on here, I've actually got a little bit of a, see the little flecks of colour. So all I'm going to do, get that one out of the way so don't do it again, is just do a little bit of this. Just laying a little bit of this colour down, just to give a little bit of extra interest and texture. And then we'll bring in these adorable brushed brass butterflies. They are also in the mini catalogue. They're towards the back if you have a look where the accessories are, with the ribbons, and they are just beautiful. One up there, and then another smaller one just over there. They're beautiful, they really are. And then, as I said, I've got my insert piece here. And okay, I'm going to put the inside piece with some Tombow. I usually like to stamp the inside of my cards. Some people don't, but when it's a coloured cardstock, I generally put a piece of white on the inside for a greeting. Here we are. And then let's put some dimensionals on the back of this one. Oops. Sorry about the noise. And no ribbon. I usually always use ribbon, but I put these the little butterflies on, so that's my additional embellishment. I do like ribbons. I do like a bow. And there we have it. How cute is that? I'm really happy with the way that turned out. I really, really like the Blushing Bride, the Balmy Blue there on that card. And again, that's the stamp set we used with that beautiful image there. I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a link to the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and have a great day. Bye.